Yo, guys, good morning. Happy Friday. Ready to get to work here. Bell has rang, and the watch list has been sent out, so it's in your inbox. Guys, how about that CXAI from yesterday? Did we not call this one out perfectly? This was the morning move we talked about. Remember, we talked about it right here. We talked about it right here, and then we talked about the next take profit zones, and they got hit, and that's it. I would have been done with that one. I would have been done with that one right there. I wouldn't have thought that that thing was going to go any higher. But man, did it go higher. Good Lord. Look at that afternoon move here. We just consolidated and then bang. And then today, and in pre-market, $70. Are you kidding me? That thing was insane. Insane. Thank you. So let's see what's in store for us today. Yo, Jay, good morning. Good morning. So CXAI halted already here to start the day off. SPY with a slight gap down here trying to bounce back. I'm going to be watching the SPY to see if it can come down here around 412 for a bounce play. We'll see if it can get down there. That's kind of like one of my main ideas this morning. As far as the ES goes, you got some let me get you the chart. You got some support kicking in right here around 4160, 4161. So I'll definitely be watching that area. Guys, remember you got 80% off available right now. With the firm I trade with. Links right there in chat. That ends today. And I do believe that includes some of the bundle accounts, possibly. Cuban coffee time. Right now, the ES trying to bounce back up into 4170, having a little bit of 4170 resistance there. Very kind of like sticky open here, similar to yesterday's action. Maybe we chop around a little bit here in the morning before we make the push. Guys, I do have an appointment I got to get to later this morning, so I might be having to leave a little bit early today. Just a quick heads up on that. So ES testing those 4170s, and then we have CXAI still halted. SAI up 300% this morning. That thing just went insane today. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Huge move. Huge move. Gotta let these open up, do their thing, see what direction they want to go. Yo, Bill, what's up? What's up? There you go. ES getting through 4170 now. SAI coming on back down. CXAI halted. Those two are probably going to trade in tandem, just so you know. CXAI now halted to the downside at 17 bucks. That one I'd watch for like a 1350 support zone if it can get down there. Yo, the beast. What's good, Bill? What's good? What's good is that, well, I didn't make any money yesterday. I certainly didn't lose any. The beast. I remembered you this morning or last night. I was looking at the SPY chart, and man, what a grinder! And it goes back to that conversation we were having yesterday, where when they're grinders, they're very unpredictable, and that was yesterday's action. A straight up grind fest, man. That chop, chop, chop early on in the morning, right in here. Boom, nice clean move to the upside, and then just grind it higher and higher and higher. And there we are, getting right back up there now. Extremely annoying action. Guys, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Really helps out a lot. Oh, you're long from the pre-market entry? I think I saw you post something in the Discord earlier. Guys, those of you who might be new, there's a free Discord you can join right here. Link in chat. You're going straight up right now, guys. 4177 zone is the level. I'm sure that's going to break down. Well, I mean, what are you going to do? I was hoping we get a pullback into this blue line here, 4160 area. We pulled back before the bell rang into that zone, and we've just taken off. I want more. All right, guys. So ES all the way up here towards previous highs here, broke through them, tested 4180. 4180 is a little bit of a daily resistance. If we get through that zone, we got 4200 and change. You know, you could get 4220. Know what? I want to start looking at put option swing trades. On the SPY. expensive. Some January 17th. Oh, no, no wonder. 2 years out. It's like, what the hell? Here we go. January 19th, 2024. I was in 2025. I was like, damn, man, these things are expensive as crap. They're like 30, almost $40. This is more manageable here. You got some January 19th, 2024, 395. The 400 put options, 400 strike, are $18 and change. The 390s are $15, $15.86. The 380s are $13.58. 370s are $11.60. I'm just keeping an eye on them because I think if the SPY can get up towards 415 to 420, I'm going to start scaling in on that trade idea. Yo, beast, the beast with the beast move. Nice job. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm thinking, beast. It's trying to hold. I mean, it's just up there. I think it's going to keep going. Yep. Yep, Bill. So the swing trade idea is very simple. Let's head on over to the SPY daily chart. There you go. We're going to clean this up, all right? We're going to take away all these daily lines here. Poof, magic, erased, gone. You have 415 here. Through 418 to 420. Okay, that's major resistance zone. Look at this 415 here. Previous level of support. Turned resistance. We're up into that right now. Then we have 420 zone. Previous gap entry level. And then last but not least, you got that 430 zone. 430 zone, it's a tank. You're not breaking that. There's no way. In my opinion, there's just no way that breaks this year. So my idea is to start scaling in to put options that are expiring either December of this year, January of next year, something like that, at these levels. One entry, second entry, final entry if we get up there. Obviously, my stop zone there. And what I think happens is we get, pretend these are monthly candles or something like that. You know what I mean? We get back down here. And then the recession hits and we get here. And boom, huge winner. You know? So the way I look at it is my winning zone, my risk zone, right? This is the size of my risk, and this is the potential size of my winner. I'll take that trade any day. All right. So that's what I'm looking at. We've been talking about it since, I don't know, 2 months ago or something like that. And whenever I have that type of risk reward, especially on a swing trade, I'm all about it. Nice. Nice, Beast. Good job, man. Killing it. Scout Master today. Look at that move on the ES, guys. Are you kidding me? Yep, absolutely. I'm waiting for a pullback, man. Waiting for a pullback I can get long on. I'm going to be watching that 41.77 zone, 41.80. I like that we're pushing off this level. You know, I want to see us then pull back into it. Got a lot of contracts at 41.85. Well over 100. They just keep piling on in there. But it, oh my God, 200. But it's not shying away. It doesn't care. Yep. Yep, the King 415 is a resistance zone. 415 is a resistance zone. Doesn't mean it's going to hold. Oh, guys, let's go check in on CXAI. Held 15 and change. Definitely keep an eye on this one. We're back up over that halt price to the downside from earlier. VWAP 23.6 fib is in that vicinity. As long as we can hold this level here, I'll show you now. As long as it can hold this level, it's got a good shot here at a nice red to green move. And if it gets through the highs, get ready to see that thing halt. SPY gap down, and right off the bell, this thing just took off. I was hoping we get a pullback into 412. We got as low as like 412.77 and just took off straight out of there. Remember to do me a favor, guys, and hit that like button. SPY just keeps going, guys. This market is just straight up, man. Look at that hourly candle on the ES. Look at this thing. That thing is humongous. Biggest hourly candle we've seen in a while. So I'm gonna watch and wait to see if we get pullbacks into like that 41.77 zone. Crazy move. Still going. If you're trading on a tick chart, you could definitely do better than me here waiting on the 3 minute setup. But you got to be fast on that. You got to be fast, fast, fast. While I wait for that move to come, guys, make sure to take advantage. 80% off with the firm I trade. Link in chat right there. 80% off for life. It ends today on your evaluation account. So as long as you have that evaluation account, you're gonna have 80% off every month, right? On your rebill. The $50,000 account, 180 bucks normally a month, is gonna come out to like what is that, like 30 something dollars? Let's see, 180, 80% off. Yep, $36. That's a no-brainer. And the $150,000 account comes out to like in the 60s. So take advantage of that. Link in chat. Watching and waiting. See if we can get a nice little pullback here. Maybe the SPY can pull back into the 9 AMA and hold support there. Come on, pull back. Good Lord, man. Need to pull back into that 4180 zone. High 4170s. Hey, there you go, King. Congrats, man. Nice job making a few bucks there. Haven't done the 8-hour workday since 2016. It's gonna be an interesting day for you then, man. You'll kill it. Oh, we're not gonna get the deeper pullback. We're just gonna get that little shallow pullback into 4184. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm not gonna get FOMO'd into some crap. I'm gonna wait for my levels to hit. And if they hit, I'll take it. If it doesn't hit, then I won't. There we go. Pushing up to new highs. Wow, man. The FOMO in this market right now is surreal. Don't even get a pullback. Just some sideways trading, and that's it. Today's a day where if you're not disciplined and you FOMO, you can make money. But all that does is that it sets bad expectations. New traders will be like, "Oh, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about." Yeah, well, there's a reason why you're new, and I've been doing this for like 7 years now. Been in your shoes. Days like today, where bad behavior is rewarded, leads to extremely bad trading habits. If you FOMO into a long today, you will more than likely be rewarded. More than likely. It's proven so far this morning to be the case in the first 30 minutes. But over the long haul, it doesn't work. You can't FOMO into plays. You can't chase them higher. You just can't. You will be destroyed in the long run. Today you'll be rewarded. Tomorrow, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. We're stuck there at 88.25. It should break. Yep. Yep, the beast. Volume is dropping as it pushes higher. That's true. Definitely a sign of things starting to slow down. Bill says that's wisdom right there. Imagine, man. I mean, you do this long enough, you start to see the repeat of these patterns, and you'll see. And I know because I was there. I was that new trader that FOMOed into plays, and it would work, and I'd make a bunch of money. And then 2 days later, that's what you do. Boop. I would go in, do it again, bang, crushed. Do it again, crushed. Do it again, crushed. Do it again, crushed. Before you know it, you gave back a full month's profit doing foolishness because the market was behaving in a way that gave you FOMO, or in that case, me, when I'm setting this example, and it made me have bad trading habits. And those are trading habits that took a while to break. Oh, boom! Did you see that? Did you see that candle at 415? What an amazing bounce area that 414 is being right now. But did you guys see that candle? That would have definitely destroyed somebody trading on FOMO. Absolutely all day long. Oh, nice. Beast. Good Lord, man. You're just machine gunning it today. Machine Gun Kelly over there. Nice job, man. Oh, those are some ugly candles. Hey, crystal ball. No, man. No, just experience. Just experience, really. Crazy flush. So that's the area I wanted to see. Try to hold some support, 4180 zone. We'll see if it can hold it. The SPY giving you more range than the ES right now. It's crazy. There's some crazy 3 minute candles on that SPY. My God, man. Are you kidding me? You're not going to give me an entry? Wow, bro. Are we really just going to do that quick flush into 4180 and that's it? For real, man. Wow. The fight we're seeing there is insane. Over 100 contracts keep popping up at 7, but it doesn't care. Wow. Come on, flush back down to 41.80 one more time. Good lord. Well, that was my entry. Didn't get it. It was so fast I didn't get it. I would definitely take a piece of profit off here at 87. I mean, you'd be up already 7 points. And it is the high day zone. Crazy action. Okay, CXAI. We talked about this area. Had to hold this area. Didn't hold it. So now I'd say it has to come all the way back down to the 13s that we talked about. Let's move on Tesla into yesterday's close. If that cannot break, watch for a little reversal off that level back down towards VWAP. SPY just trading sideways up here in front of the high of day after that crazy flush. You had some economic data that came out here at 10. You had retail inventories 0.3% to forecasted at 0.4, so not too far off. Michigan consumer sentiment 63.5 was what it came in at. 62.0 was the forecast. Previous was 62, so kind of in line. Not too far off there. Business inventories 0.2%, forecasted at 0.3. It's not too bad. All right, we're pulling back again. Going to be interesting action here. Yeah, definitely, Jay. Definitely, there's been some squeezing going on here. Of course, absolutely. Yeah, the beast. I'm thinking maybe we pull back into yesterday's close on the SPY. Maybe that brings the ES down here towards the mid 4170s. Maybe. Really, really whiplashy action up here. It's 415, major zone. Major zone. I can't imagine we're just going to have one test of that zone. Forty-one ninety area really held it down. I don't see bigger potential support until 4160s to 4150 zone. Wow, that's a nasty candle, bro. Oh, thing got destroyed. My God. Oh no, beast. Fat Shrek fingers. Oh man. What a dump. What a dump. Oh my God, it just keeps going. Good Lord. I'm in nothing, guys. I'll show you right now. I don't. Trading screen. Bang. I'm in nothing. Sucks to say. I'm going to tell you right now. Absolutely sucks to say, but I ain't losing money either. I'm in nothing right now. Yeah, Bill, that the market's threw up all over itself. I'm not complaining either, the king. Not complaining in the least bit. I'm in nothing here and I'm completely 100% okay with it. Now, hopefully I can get a setup that I like, but right now all we did was just go straight up and straight back down. If you weren't long from before the bell rang for the US stock market open, if you weren't long then you might have just chased this unless you scalped the tick chart. If you shorted that top, that was a good setup. That was a good setup to short. It was fast, and it was not for the faint of heart. It was not for the faint of heart. Like that, that was vicious. That was vicious because if you got short on this candle here, and then it got bought up just like that, only to reject, bro. Look at this. Look at this action here now. Insane moves. It wouldn't surprise me to see this market go lower to 4112, 412 on the SPY any more than it would surprise me to see it at 415 in the next 30 minutes. That's the kind of crazy price action we're seeing right now. No, they're not. No, they're not. No, they're not. The beast. It is. It's crazy. Like unless you've been doing this for a while, you don't. You're not appreciating this price action. Like some, and I remember when I was new, I'd be like, "What the hell is this guy talking about?" Ain't not a damn thing happening. I ain't made no money. That I remember that. But just sitting here and watching this price action, bro, it's like watching two crazy badass teams face off in the World Series or in the Super Bowl. That's what it's like. Nice, the king. Good job. That's right. Bulls take the stairs and Bears take the windows. Fire rocket, cool emoji. This crazy, crazy action. Just look at those 2 hourly candles on the ES. Oh wait, here we go. Look at those 2 hourly candles side by side. It's insane. Now the SPY's testing yesterday's close. A dead cat bounce. um, I like how you said it. That bear bounce. Um, I don't know, and that's why I'm in nothing. Look, like honestly, guys, trade what you have conviction in. If you don't have conviction in direction, don't take the trade. I don't. I am not concerned with some new trader that comes onto the stream and is like, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. I'm not concerned with that mess. I'm concerned with trading properly for myself and in front of you all. And right now, I don't have conviction here on the move. I don't. The freaking hell is this going to go up or down? I don't know. Get the hell out of here. I think maybe based on technical analysis, I feel like it should go lower. Why? The drop happened on gargantuan volume. And this little bounce back attempt right now is being weak. But I can't freaking go short there in front of this damn support zone. 4160 zone is support. It's major support. Yeah, could I get short here and maybe catch 4 points to the downside? Maybe, yeah. But this thing could just rip face right back up. We are putting higher lows in place. No cats in sight. It's just the reality of it. Right now, yeah, yes. You could get short here in front of 72. And you might get lucky. And you could get long here in front of 64. And you might get lucky. I hate this because I can't trade it. Honestly, straight up. Look, I don't give a crap. It is what it is. If somebody out there wants to think, oh, this guy's an idiot, he doesn't know what he's doing, yeah, bro, joke's on you. Show me your funded account. You know what I'm saying? Show me your years of experience. Then we can talk. I get hyped up on my own. I'm a little pissed here. I hate this freaking action. Because 2 days in a row without trading, bro, I feel... I don't want luck, says the beast. Yeah, I don't want luck either. Exactly. I want to trade based on the skills. And my skill set is telling me that this is not my environment right now. And that's it. That's right. The beast knows what's up. Look, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, really, I would have shorted this. I would have shorted this right here with a stop over 72. And then you know what would have happened? This crap would have bounced to 74, stopped me out, and then crap would have gone to 50. And that's why I have my rules. And that's why I trade how I trade. You can only do it based off of the data you have. It really does. It's insane. It really does. It's crazy. It's crazy. The SPY looks a little better because so far yesterday's close is holding resistance. But this ES right here at 65, 64 area, that's been good, solid support here for hours. For hours. It is what it is. That's the internal fight you get. Very solid support. It's definitely been very solid support. We're bear flagging just above it, and I can't jump in on that bear flag, and Lord knows I love bear flags. You know what? I need a commercial break to cool down. There it goes. If that low cracks, watch and see. If 62 goes, then this thing is just going to go lower. And we really don't have any support after that until like 50. Buying here for me right now as it stands feels super risky as a long. If 62 breaks and we can't recover that, this thing I think goes to 50, and then I'm gonna watch for bounces into 60 to get short for the ride. Hey, congrats! Somebody bought themselves the bundle, the $300,000 bundle. Nice. It was 64 bucks. Not bad. I might even buy that myself and just have some fun with you guys next week. See how fast we can get a $300,000 account. That one's hard, man. That one's a $20,000. I think, if I'm not mistaken, $20,000 profit target. We hit 62. We bounced back to 68 so far. We've thoroughly tested that bounce area now. We we pierced 412.50 on the SPY. Hey guys, CXAI. Remember that line we drew in pre-market? These are the ones from yesterday. Whoops, let me switch over to SPY. Well, equities chart. These are the ones from yesterday. These worked out beautifully, as you can tell. Here's the next one. After that, I really don't, I really wouldn't watch it much. 11 bucks. If 1350 area cannot hold, 11 bucks is next. SPY getting demolished off of that level, guys. $412 is next. $412 is the area. $412 is the area to watch. There you go. 4160 is now being tested. And if we extend off of that, then I'll watch for bounces, weak bounces back up into that level for potential shorts to see if we can get it down towards 4150. And then I might think about a long. Yo, Brooks, that's wild, man. You gotta send me a DM or something. Let me know your. I mean, what other name did you have or something? Because I don't remember. I don't remember. Damn, I want to remember, but that's awesome to see you around here. Yeah, I'm still here, man. I'm still doing my thing. Still doing my thing. Hope you're doing well. Oh, yeah, I think I remember your name. Yeah, that's cool, man. You're still trading? I like that. I like that name. That's a great like a great YouTube YouTube name. Price Action Jackson. Imagine the theme song to like nice. What are you trading these days? All right, guys. If we hold under 41.62, then that's what I'm saying. This thing should go lower. Where are my crosshairs? Really want to hold 41.63 at least. Nice, man. Yeah, it's pretty much what I trade. I don't really trade the smallies that much, but most of what I've been trading these days is what I used to trade back in 2020, which is futures. It definitely has been a wild, intensely wild market. Calls and puts work today. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely, it has. It's fighting now, trying to bounce off of this level, trying to regain this 62 support again. Let's see if it's going to be successful. Thought the spy would get back down there to 41.12. I mean, it got pretty damn close, 41.12 20s. It's a low volume bounce. It's definitely struggling some. I'll give it a shot. We'll see. We'll see if it wants to work. My stop zone will be like that 64 area. Oh, over it, actually. It's looking like it really should sell off more. 55 is a potential bounce zone. I think that's where we need to get to. And then 50. I think 50 would be the bottom. We'll see what it wants to do. The bounce back attempt is low volume. That's why I went after it. If it wants to crap all over me, well, so be it. Yep, looks like it's going to stop me out. Stop zone is a little tight, but I think either way, it'll stop me out if we get up over that level. Because the stop zone, the resistance is at really 65 ish, mid 64s to 65 area. Whoops. We'll see what it wants to do. The volume is still light on that bounce. New lows. Let's see if we can continue. The resistance area held. If it takes it back now, well, it is what it is. But the resistance area held. In theory, we should see this thing spit up all over itself further. The low volume bounce is still in effect. like that 412 on the SPY is in fact going to hold. Come on, market. Throw up. No. And I was waiting for this trade to finish so that I can use it as a lesson. I moved my stop loss because upon reevaluating the chart, I realized my initial stop loss placement was incorrect. That is the only reason I didn't move my stop loss so I wouldn't be stopped out. I moved my stop loss because it was placed incorrectly. That's it. Can I turn my mic up a little? You guys don't hear me well? Am I too? What's going on? Do I sound too low? Mic check. It's fine. Good morning, Nathan. Kinda low. How low can you go? Maybe it's just that sometimes I just don't talk as loud. I'll up it a little bit here. I don't want to up it too much. Really low. Little low. How's that? Is that any better? Slightly better? Better for sure. I'm not talking now. Wait, I'm talking now. How about now? Is that better, guys? Testing. One, two, three, testing. This damn market won't spit up all over itself for this final piece. All right, perfect. Well, guys, this is either going to be what finishes up this account in one direction or the other. Well, not really, because even if I take an L on this, the account is still nicely alive. But that resistance zone is holding up fairly well, man. So I got to be patient with it. I got to let it do its thing. I got to pretend that I input this data into a computer and told it to make the trade happen for me. Starting to get a stronger bounce there. Volume slight increase. That 9 AMA has to hold the SPY down. Otherwise, this is all over. If that doesn't, then what'll happen is this challenge will get slapped up on this first attempt. This is the first attempt of this challenge, by the way. I'm still like $2,000 away from my trailing stop hitting, or the auto liquidation threshold. So my stop zone, everything's perfect on the trade as far as the trade plan goes. Whether it works or not is a different story. Doesn't look like it's gonna work. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was a support zone there, just like that 412 on the SPY. I knew it going into it, but we rejected the level. So I said to myself, you know what? With this major weakness, the low volume on the bounce, I think that level breaks because it is kind of minor. We'll see. Attempted push here getting denied. 9 AMA holding resistance on the SPY. 4165 still holding resistance on the ES. Volume is depleting as we try to push. So we'll see, man. We're gonna let these ingredients do their thing, marinate, and figure out how it wants to cook itself. We got about a 6-point stop loss for a bulk take profit of 9 points or so. Seven points. 7 points on the bulk. Oh, oh, what's happening? What's happening? Come on, break. Break it down. Break. Give me that first take so I can feel good about my insides. Come on, bro. Annoying as hell. You know what? Jerome Powell should just come out, just grab a microphone, say recession, and then walk away. Bro, oh my god, that's like some sort of funny movie stuff. Like he should just come out, CNBC be like, breaking report. Jerome Powell to take the podium in 5 minutes. Guy just comes out. He comes on, goes to the mic. I would like to thank everyone for joining me today. I just have one statement. So if you were all, please listen closely. Recession. And then he just walks away. Bro. I mean, I was right in that the thing would violate. I didn't get a freaking fill though. This is some bull crap. Look at this, bro. Are you kidding me? Come on. It's not even fair. Rigged. This piece of crap is going to bounce back now into oblivion and slap me in the face. It's gonna look at me and be like, Jerome Powell's daddy, not you. Freaking A. The market said I'm its keeping it PG, keeping it PG, Jesse. Market said, Jesse, you're my The spy was like, who's your daddy? What time is it? 10:45. I gotta go later to do some lab work, routine labs. I might end up having to postpone it, man. If I don't get stopped out, I'm gonna stay in this trade. I'm not gonna just be like, oh, I gotta get out of it because I got no. If I don't get stopped out, I'm staying in this trade. Joe smashes mute button. Oh, crap. Jesse's running amok. Filter's coming off. He's going to start talking about politics soon. Somebody get this market to dump so he can get his fills and shut up. Yeah, I'll just reschedule the lab. I don't care. I actually have the page pulled up on my other computer here to reschedule for Monday morning. How long have we been in this trade? I don't even remember when I entered it anymore. It's like a freaking Bermuda Triangle. It won't let me out. See, the only time you should ever say you're stuck in a trade is because your targets haven't been hit. Either your stop zone hasn't been hit or your profit targets haven't been hit. That's the only time you should say you're stuck in a trade. And the reality is, it's not you're not stuck. You're just working. I'm not stuck in this thing. I'm working. My stop zone has not been hit. My profit target hasn't been hit. My first target was almost hit. On a beautiful rejection of the area we talked about and got short in front of. Like this, by all metrics, should have worked. Right now, it's not looking like it is. Exactly, the beast. If you say you're stuck in a trade, it's because you're holding a bag. You're not stuck in it. You're just holding a bag. Yeah, this thing's looking like it wants to reverse. Let's see. Another 65 test after that pretty solid bounce is a little bit concerning. Oof, that's ugly. Jerome, if you're not going to come out and say recession, man, at least get out there and tell one of your boys to throw like 500 contracts short here for me. Like, I think George Soros is a piece of crap. I mean, this is where we're at. A filter's completely gone. But I wouldn't mind if George Soros would come out right now and just be like, I'm going to short 500 contracts at 65 because I'm bored today. That'd be really helpful, George. If you could do that, I'd appreciate it. It'd make up for most of the crap you've done that has screwed with our lives. Well, screw you, George. But that doesn't count, though, the beast, because it doesn't do anything for me. See, I figure I can get away with some of these things I say at this time of the day because it's really not a family show. Everybody's at work or the kids are at school. So I can say, screw you, George. And it shouldn't, theoretically, have to be bleeped. See, when people are like, shit, man, Jesse talks a lot of crap. You should meet me in real life. See, the thing is that I've been in this trade so long that it feels like I've been on a 4-hour car drive to Orlando. and I'm delirious. That's the real problem here. That's the real tragedy. I start to get bored, so I start to just mumble crap, keep myself entertained, and hopefully you guys along the way. This trade is going to have me so emotionally taxed by the end of it that I'm just going to take the rest of the day off, win, lose, or draw. Well, that ain't no draw. We're either winning or losing. All right, let's see who catches the reference. It ain't about how. Well, no, that was Rocky. Damn it, Jesse. Hold on. I forgot the reference now. I was going to go into the Rocky Balboa speech. It ain't about how hard you get hit. It's about how hard you get hit and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. See, that's where I'm at right now when I'm in this damn trade too long. Here it is. Fast and the Furious. Damn it, I gave you the freaking answer. It was supposed to be trivia. Ask any racer, any real racer. It doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Somebody finish it. Since I already gave you the movie. Boom. Bill wins the trivia for the day. Fast and Furious is correct. There's our dear old friend Dom from Fast and the Furious 1. I'm freaking hungry. Yeah, somebody better mute me and just watch the screen because I'm getting hungry now. And I'm still in this trade. God, how long have we been in this thing? Let me go check what time my order executed. Whoops. Oh my god, what am I doing? So it executed. When the hell did it execute? Wait, let me go to executions. Here we go. First entry, so like around. Oh my god, we've been in this thing for a freaking hour. Well, I was supposed to be fasting because I was gonna go do the labs, so that's why I haven't ate anything. I think that's also part of the delirium that you guys are witnessing today. Now, this is why. See, I have fun when I'm delirious like this, but this is why I tell you, you don't need to go get drunk to have fun at a party. You just gotta wait until Jesse gets delirious. Either sleep deprive him or food deprive him, and you're in for a good ass time. This is why I'm not good for 9 to 5s. This is literally how I talk. Like, can you imagine? There's no way you could do a freaking sales meeting with me anymore, bro. I am spoiled beyond belief. I have not sat in a 9 to 5 for almost 2 decades. There's no way. I can't do anything else. I have to just trade. Oh, you like food too much? I can't blame you, my man. I work out because I like cookies, not because I want to look good necessarily. I just want to eat more cookies and steak and burgers. My palate is that of a 12-year-old. Bro, is this thing ever going to roll? It literally tapped. What is the low of this candle? 155.50. And I'm sitting at 155. Are you kidding me? Half a point. You should see the burgers I made for Easter on my new griddle. Hey, we got our first fill. Let's go, boys and girls. We got our first fill. You should see the burgers I made on the grid on my new griddle, bro. Oh my god. I need to get more propane. I ran out of propane already. Otherwise, I'd just go make burgers and just let this trade figure itself out. Booyah! A la Jim from CNBC. All right? That's where he. Mad Money? I don't know. All I know is that dude's worth a crap ton of money. And lately his calls are cacas. Come on over, the beast. The beast, if I owe anyone a burger, it's you, my man. Oh, oh, wait a second. Are we going to continue going lower as originally freaking planned out? For the love of God, flush before I lose my head. Nah, they slap. I learned Gen Z language just so I could bother my business partner, Jono. My burgers slap, no cap. Boom! Guys, please, for the love of God, tell me that I am entertaining you with my nonsense because otherwise, I'm gonna just close this trade out and give up on life. I'm gonna just go back to. I literally learned Gen Z slang to bother my business partner. No other purpose. No other purpose. A plus entertainment today. That's what's up. It do be hitting different though. They're saying smack now, bro. I can't keep up with them, bro. Good lord. Jonah doesn't even know what's happening today. I don't even know what that sucker's doing. Oh wait, I think I do know what he's doing because he's been working on the dashboard for you guys that are in the courses. Bro, no way, bro. There's no way this thing. I'm gonna have to take off another piece here. There's no way I can't. All right, I took off another piece there. Wait, no, I shorted again. Oh, this is just a freaking circus. I added back to my short. What a goofball. This is what happens. You see, I'm also kind of sleep deprived too. My kid woke up crazy at 5 something in the morning. My wife dealt with it, but still, man, I've been awake since. I'm not only food deprived today, but I'm sleep deprived. I probably shouldn't be trading, but I really wanted to attack this challenge and see if I can wrap it up. No, it's early for me, the beast. I don't wake up until 7:20. Bro, 4:30. Oh my god. I don't even like waking up that early to go fishing, bro. And I love to go fishing. That apple better freaking rot, bro. Look at this thing. Kidding me? I never thought this trade would take this long. Yo, Bill coming through with the super chat. Thank you very much, good sir. List I can do today. I made a few bucks on that flush with you, and you're funny AF today. Yeah, technically speaking, this trade is still sound. It is extremely still sound. It's just acting a fool. Bill, you are the man. You are the man. Yeah, guys. Bill, send a super chat, man. Hey, if I made you laugh, send over a super chat. I can't, bro. I can't with myself today. I'm unhinged. Jonah's gonna fire me. Yep, it's a nice little downtrend. I'm not even mad about this action, to be honest. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. I still think we should get a flush down there to the 50 area at least. We'll see. Funny no cap. Nah, he's not as good on camera either. A lot of you might not know this, but Jonah had a YouTube channel for a while. What he used to do was pretty cool. He used to get highlight clips from different day traders, and he would kind of like ESPN it, trades of the week and whatnot. It was a pretty cool idea. He did it for a while. It was doing pretty well. And this is before we started the day trader chat room. You know, it was before that. Vegemite? What is that? You make me use Google. Oh, it's Australian food spread. This is like a this is like a jelly or something? It's made from sugar cane? I want it. Where do I buy this? GetVegemite.com. No, GetVegemitenow.com. Amazon.com, same thing. I'm ordering this. It's all over Amazon. Damn, it's expensive for the size, but I want to try it. I'm trying this. You sold me on it. It's made from sugar cane. That's all I needed to know. Don't eat it like peanut butter and you'll be okay. Well, how do I eat it? Oh, thank God I didn't add to cart yet. My man, come on. You trying to sabotage me here? Saboteur. I'm sure it does. Oh crap, man. I need more 2 hour long trades so I can make you guys laugh more. I'm all business all the time, like bull flag. Oh my god, anybody new that's tuning into the stream today must be like, what the hell is going on here? And where's this guy's face? It's literally right here. Bam. I freaking bored out of my mind in this trade. But boring trades tend to work out really well though. You know, on my hunt for beers that I'd like, it's been an extensive one. The only beers that I've liked so far have been multi-type beers. You know, like Sam Adams, like very malt, like thick brown beers. They're tastier to me. I don't like them when they're too bitter. I don't like them when they're too bitter. Yeah, for real, the beast with the amount of entertainment I've provided today. Guys, come on. What's going on here with the likes? I am deserving of at least another 100 likes. Come on. Hook a brother up. That's ridiculous. 200 something like. What do we got here, bro? Come on. No, the beast is just teasing us, bro. This is borderline prom all over again. I'm just saying. I didn't go to prom. I just thought it was a funny joke. And I was born in 1983. So, yeah, that sensitivity training bullcrap, I didn't go through it. This all over the place. I'm just all over the place today. Don't get me started on Joe Biden. Don't even get me started. I didn't go to prom, man. I didn't go to prom. Couldn't get a date. Didn't really look for one. I had just broken up with my girlfriend like 2 months prior and was like, nah, screw prom. But then we rented a hotel and we did a party after prom anyways. Right there on the beach, Collins Ave, on Miami Beach. Great times. Great times. Seriously. Like, if you're watching this right now and you're in high school, enjoy your time. You will be 39 years old in the blink of an eye. And if you did good in life, it'll be good. Because I have zero complaints about my life. My life is freaking awesome. But it's different awesome. It's a different awesome. You'll see. But all I'm saying is, if you're in high school right now, enjoy your time. That was your PSA for the day. Yo, Kevin. Well, I'm glad. Wait a second, man. Hold on. Let me get back over here. Welcome to the channel, my man. Glad to have you on here. Glad to have you on here. Oh, wait a second. Oh, 1983 fungus. Nice. Adriana says, bro, the emotional control you present in this trade is top class. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I really do. If I was hitting about myself here, I would just quietly be answering emails. But all this silliness and ridiculousness is just, having fun with you guys. It's like if I was just hanging out with my friends. This is literally how I am. You can ask Jonal. I drive him nuts. I drive my wife crazy. No prom, Fungus TV. Yeah, man. I had just broken up with my girlfriend like 2 months, 3 months before that. And just didn't, I was like, screw prom. Kevin, thank you for joining. Hope you subscribe. And I stream every day, Monday through Friday from 9:15 a.m. until whenever the hell. It's pretty much how it goes. The Beast says we make him feel like a grandpa. The Beast. Not going to make you say what year you were born. What year did you graduate? High school. Or whatever the equivalent of high school is in Australia. Because I know they got like different names in different countries. You graduated high school in 94? How old was I? I was like 11. Yeah. You're still young, my man. Like, old nowadays, honestly, is like 85. Class of 2001 Fungus TV. Class of 2002 over here. I got you, the Beast. Oh, Jonal just text me. Hold on, I'm gonna send him this as a voicemail. So Jonal just text me, guys. Jonal just text me now, and the first thing he said is, "I think we should remove." And I thought the following was going to be me. Like, I thought he was gonna say, "I think we should remove you from the stream." Jonal, I am still streaming, and you don't want to go to the stream today because it's just been a thing. It's been a thing. And yes, I agree with what you think we should remove. Absolutely, 100% agree. I'm going to go back to the trade I've been in for over an hour and continue talking to the great people of the Day Trader chat room. Jay, you graduated in 92? Old head. 92, man. That was, I'd say the 90s and the early 2000s were hands down some of the best times ever. Oh, did I get another fill? Wait, I only have 5 contracts left. Ooh, let me stop this thing. Let me get this stop out of here. Wait a second. What's happened here? When did I get that fill? I only got 5 contracts left from the 8 I had. Wait a second. I gotta. You know what? Guys, I'm gonna have to watch my video. I was recording. I've been recording this whole fiasco, by the way. I had 8 contracts. I know I got 1 take profit. And then goofy, like I added back to the position instead of taking more profits. So I only have 5 contracts left. I'm up $1,000 on the day. I might just close out the bulk of this soon. Oh, Toronto's in the house. Everybody, sit upright. I have done nothing. I've been behaving well. It wasn't me. Shh. Don't say anything. Quiet. All right, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this out here. Toronto's gonna reprimand me. So, about bull flags. The bearish divergence of the VWAP indicator indicates that, hey, Drono. I don't know, guys. No freaking clue what's wrong with me today. I'm pretty damn sure it's the lack of food and sleep. I'm pretty damn sure it's that. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. This is too much. Today's been something else. I'm putting it on my... I already put him on ignore. You don't know how to handle a PC anyways, because all you do is Mac. My PC guy is the beast. The beast. Oh, he's calling me. No, go away. He's calling me. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble now, guys. Hello? Hello? I am doing nothing, good sir. I am out here trading for the masses. I am out here trading for the masses. They have loved today's stream. They told me earlier, Jesse, entertain us. So I did. You can't fire me. I am the DTC. You see, it says the Day Trader Chat Room by Hustle with JesseW, not Jono. He said he's going to go find a trader on Fiverr. That's what he said. I'm just saying. You guys are my witnesses. Sir, I am not in a trade, but I don't want to talk to you anymore, so goodbye. That's it. Oh my god, guys. Well, I mean, look. It's an hour and 15 minutes or so. Long trade. I made 837 bucks. So it was a blur. Chances are I probably shouldn't have stopped out of it there. But there was things happening that I didn't even know what happened. Like, I don't understand how I went from 8 contracts to 5, to be honest. um, so I just got out of it there. The reality is that we recovered. All right, you can see the SPY. We recovered very nicely this 412 support zone. That's an important zone on the SPY. Okay, look, previous resistance, right? Previous resistance. So if that zone stays recovered, I think we can push up higher from here. I think we could honestly, what time is it? We could be up here towards 413 in no time. So we're starting to get choppy-ish there. I feel more comfortable taking the trade off. At that point, the volume started to increase a little bit on the bounce attempt as well. Right here on the regain of that support zone after a very nice tail. Okay, so things are starting to indicate to me that we're starting to base out. And if we base out, that could send us higher. And I'm just not going to risk it. Okay. Yeah, that Riyadh there was a total fail on my part. I don't know what I was doing. What am I smacking on? Bro, today was gold. Oh, we got the 300 likes. Hell yeah. What's up, guys? Thank you very much. Yeah, SPY has been holding 412 like a champ. Joel's got puts on me. Guys, I don't know what to tell you, man. Trading can be fun. And I'm going to give you right here one more time today's deals. And then a bunch of free stuff, because if you're new here, you need free stuff. My futures course, 25% off, still going on. And then you got the free Discord. You got the free watch list. Make sure you sign up for that free watch list. We don't spam BS. And the free trading course. Very, very important, especially if you're new. Oh, dear Lord. I'm tired. I still have time to go to my appointment and do my lab work. But I don't know if I want to anymore. Nice, Fungus. Hope it works out for you, bud. I am in nothing. I'll show you guys. I'm in nothing again. So I don't even remember where we got short. Oh yeah, we got short way back here. Way back here. Man, look at all that mess we held on through. Short way back here, took some profits off in here, then stopped out of the rest in here. And now it looks like we're gonna go lower. It is a roller coaster. I do need some food. Oh wait, you guys don't have. There we go. I do need some food. I'm freaking famished. Haven't ate anything since yesterday at 6 something in the evening when we had dinner. It's 11:20 and I haven't ate a damn thing. Some water. I was gonna say tomorrow's live stream, but tomorrow's Saturday. I ain't streaming tomorrow. Market ain't open. And I got stuff to do tomorrow here around the house. Oh, 412 holding again, guys. Be careful with that 412. It looks good. It looks good for a possible reversal there. A short-term reversal, but reversal nonetheless. Guys, before I head out, any questions? I think it was Nathan earlier. I explained it and he understood it. I talked about when I moved my stop. Let me rewind, okay? Let me rewind. What are you looking at? Okay, let me rewind. I got short in here and my stop was right here at 65 area. Improper. It was way too tight in front of that resistance zone. Well, previous support. I needed to give it more wiggle room because of what it is, right? The ES. I moved my stop up to just over 66, and I never got stopped out and was able to partake in a nice little trade. Okay. I didn't remove my stop or change my stop because I didn't want to get stopped out. I changed my stop because I reanalyzed the chart and the chart told me, hey, that's not where your stop goes. Your stop goes here. When I placed my stop in the proper zone, the trade worked itself out, half decent at least. Okay. Oftentimes when you hear people say, oh, they fished out my stop, or the market is rigged, or I don't use stops because they see them and then they go take them out. Nonsense. That is happening to you because you're placing your stop loss order in the wrong area. You have to be careful where you set your stop. We've gone over this many a times. You have to be careful where you set your stop loss. You make sure if you're short and resistance is here, you don't set your stop loss here. You don't set your stop loss here. You set your stop loss up here over the resistance zone. If you're long, you don't set your stop loss at support. You don't put your stop loss here. That's not where your stop loss goes. Your stop loss doesn't go here either. Even with the support zone, your stop loss goes under the support zone. Okay? That's how that works. Yeah, it happens. It happens, the beast. It happens to me. It almost happened to me here. And guess what would have happened? I would have gotten stopped out. I would have lost a good chunk of money. Okay? And then the trade would have gone lower and I would have been like, damn it, what the hell? It's John's fault, right? But I realized it. I rectified it. No problem. No problem. All right, guys. I'm going to get the hell out of here. Go eat. Enjoy the weekend. 11:22 a.m. already. Can't believe how quick the day's gone. Well, the morning. This market still looks good to the downside, but it also looks possibly good for a little reversal as well. It's anyone's guess where it's at right now. If you're still short, me, I'd put my stop right where it was at. Or if you want to move it on down some, over 63. But even then, I wouldn't. And I think you have room to at least 50. I think you have room. Will it get there? Honestly speaking, anyone's guess. Let's go check where we're at with the challenge. We need $4,010 to finish this challenge. It was 3,700 a day ago, but day before yesterday, I had a chunky red day. So, we're like $300 away from being back at where we were. Yesterday was a no trade day. So I've traded 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We've traded 5 days. Today's day number 6. So we've traded this account for 6 days. We're almost there. Just want to get there already. Wanted to do it fast. I still think it's fast. Yo, my pleasure, Jay. Good job, Fungus. Peace out, brother. Peace out, the beast. So I think maybe next week we can get it. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Have a good weekend. Enjoy yourselves. See you all Monday at 9:15 a.m. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Check out those links, and I'll catch you all on Monday.